I saw the physical medicine doctor, and she said, I'm going to try to get you into braces that'll help you with your feet so that you can do some things more, in a better way than you've done in the past. I had been using them for some time when I had the privilege of meeting Michael Johnson. When I met with him and we've talked about the possibilities, what to do, then he had a brace that fit in the front and fit in my shoe. And the advantage is it holds my foot up better. The other advantage is that it allows me to lean against my legs in the front of my knees and keeps me upright. I opted to decide to play pickleball and tennis in these new braces versus the ones I used to have, and found that I have better mobility, maybe 25% better mobility, and also that I can keep my feet up as well, and so I walk much better and I have less sound when I'm moving around. They fit inside the shoe. This is the first time that I've been able to wear a regular shoe in 15 years. There's no doubt in my mind that anytime I need the help and assistance of OrthoPro, I'm going to get it.